guys, it's your girl Adia and you're welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing good. Today is a review and a tutorial on this look, and it's a review on this Colored Raine very cute mini palette. Yes, it is by Colored Raine. Colored Raine is a black owned brand and they are on Instagram. I will leave their details in the description box. This palette is available on Beauty Bay if you're in the UK. Also available on the Colored Raine website if you're looking to get it. So yeah, I'm going to show you how I got this look, and I'm going to give you all the tea on this palette, swatches and everything. So if you want to see all that, please keep watching. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do hit the subscribe button before you leave here today. I would really appreciate that. Hey guys, my old and faithful, my loyal and faithful subbies, thank you so much for coming back. Newbies, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, join the family, and press the notification bell so you know when I upload a video. Okay, let's get to this review and this tutorial. Okay, so this is the Colored Raine very cute mini palette. As you can see, it comes in this like envelope case and slides out, and there you go. It says Colored Raine very cute mini palette. When you do open it, it does have like the plastic film on there to protect the shadows. I have dipped into it a couple of times testing it out. It's got 6 shadows, more of in the warm, on the warm side of the spectrum. You got three shimmers. You got 3 shimmers, 1, 2, 3, and 3 mattes. 1, 2, 3. So yeah, I'm gonna do a quick swatches for you guys so you can see what they swatch like. That's how they swatch on dark skin. They are quite pigmented and very soft, you know, very soft and buttery. So those are the mattes. We got that, and this two other ones are very, very glittery. Can you see that? And that is the last one, which is the rosy one, quite pigmented, and they are lovely. They are very, very soft, really, really good shadows and very pigmented. Those are just one swipe. I'm going to give this palette a thumbs up for having a mirror, because that actually makes it really, really easy for me to do my eye look without having to take another mirror. So that is really great. This palette retails for a 6 shadow eye palette, but it retails for £30. And I got mine from beautybay.com, but I absolutely love the packaging. That, you know, gorgeous purple package is so really, really cute. I love it because it's also travel friendly. You know, I like the selection of shadows in there. Oh, I did get mine on offer for £21 at beautybay.com. In my opinion, I think the price range is quite high for a 6 shadow palette, but I did get it for £21, which still high, quite high for, you know, what I normally would go for. But I really, really wanted to try the Colored Raine eyeshadows because I've got their lipstick, and the lipsticks are really gorgeous. So I really, really wanted to try them out, which is why I decided to stretch myself a little bit and pick it. So I've already primed my eyes. I've put concealer on my lid, and I've powdered it down just so that the shadows don't crease. So I'm going to start showing you how I would work it. I've done a smoky eye and I've done a cut crease with this. So today I'm going to do a halo look. If you want to see those looks, you can check them out on my Instagram page. All the pictures are there. So yeah, link will be in my description box, or it'll be on the screen there. Okay, so I'm going to take my Morphe M517 brush, and I'm going to dip into this orangey shade, which is called Kiss Berry. So I'm going to dip into that orangey shade. I'm going to use that as my transition color. Ooh, that is quite pigmented. That is So I'm just blending that in. Next, I'm going to take my Morphe M139 brush, which is the soft fluffy brush. I'm going to take this shade Purple Berry to dip in my, which is more of like a mauvey kind of shade. So I'm going to use that and build up my transition, deepen my transition, my crease, sorry. I'm going to bring that from the outer corner of my eye into the inner corner as well, because I'm doing a halo look. Okay, now that that is deep enough, I'm going to take, oh, that does have a little bit of fun. Some of the mattes do have a bit of fallout, so I would recommend you do your eyes first before you do your you know, your face. So I'm going to take the deeper shade, which is like a very plummy color, which is called Love Berry. This one, I'm going to deepen my outer corner of my eyes a bit more. I'm just going to pack that in the, you know, I'm not going to blend it. I'm just going to pack that, lay that there. And I'll probably blend it later. I'm going to do the same to the inner corner as well. Just pack that on in the inner corner as well. I'm just kind of like buffing that off a bit and kind of like blending it out a little bit. Okay, so now that you can see how that is looking, I'm going to take this pink berry shade, which is more like a rosy shade. You see that rosy shade, and I'm going to put that in my, because it's quite nice and bright, I'm going to put that in the middle. Getting a bit of fallout with this shade, but it's not, you know, excessive, so I'm going to do that to the other eye as well. Okay, so that is a nice halo eye look going on there. Just to give you a bit more depth in the outer of that halo, I'm taking the purple shade, the Plum Berry, and I'm gonna, you know, use it to kind of like a fade out effect of that halo, on the outer side of the halo. And I'm going to do that to the inner corner as well. I'm also going to take the same Pinkle Berry shade, which is the rosy one. I'm going to use that to highlight my brows, my brow bone. It looks very, very, you know, very bright and like very glittery, so it's a great shade and it does blend out very nicely. Okay, so you can see that halo eye look going on there. Very easy, achievable. Just also, I'm gonna just use this Platinum Berry, which is, like I said, more actually like platinum. I'm going to use that in the inner, on my waterline. Okay, so my camera decided to play up on me and die, but I quickly tried it and I went away to do my face, and I just wanted to continue showing you. I was just putting this Platinum Berry under my eyes, so just using that to smoke out under my eyes. Yep, my eye smoked out. I'm going to take the Pinkleberry shade again and put that in the inner corner of my eye. Ooh, gorgeous. Okay. Can you see that? Okay, so I'm just going to put my liner on and I will do my lipstick in front of you guys. Okay, so I'm not wearing lashes today, but doubled up on mascara, and this is how my eye look is looking. You see how that is haloed out and looks snatched. Yeah, baby. So I'm going to use the colored Raine matte lip paint in the shade Swerve. just to complete this look. Okay, this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Do you think this look is looking snapped, or is it meh? All in all, I would recommend the Very Cute Mini Palette if you've got extra cash, if you want to splurge a little bit. It's a really great palette, very versatile. You can use it to create a range of looks. The colors are great. It's got just enough mattes, enough shimmer in it to do whatever eye look you want. And although it's the price range, the price is a bit on top of the range, but if you've got like a little extra cash, it is travel friendly. It's got a mirror, and I think that is really an advantage to it. So yeah, I will give this palette a thumbs up. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave your comments. Let me know what you think. Let me know what other palettes you would like me to review, if I can afford it and if I can buy it. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah. Bye.
Yeah.